sat behind a desk. It was a very monotonous job. And then I heard about CMC. And I started out as a storeroom clerk there and did receiving. And then from there it opened up a lot of doors. Became friends with a couple of the coworkers, and they were in the apprenticeship program out there, and that's where I found out about Mechatronics. They told me a little bit about it. You would learn programming, you would learn about robots, how to calibrate them. We learned about industrial safety, digital circuits, electrical circuits, troubleshooting. We learned a lot about how to troubleshoot things. We learned about hydraulics and pneumatics. It's a very hands-on class, so if you have the opportunity to do it, I would definitely pursue that because it opens a lot of doors. I think if you're a very tech-savvy person, or I don't know, you like to get your hands dirty and you like to learn new things, and you don't want a monotonous behind the desk job like me, you're gonna want to do mechatronics.